Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change tab colors in Google Chrome to make your browsing experience more organized and visually appealing. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, take a look at any of your open tabs at the top of the window. To start organizing your tabs with colors, simply right-click on any tab you want to customize. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Add Tab to New Group. Go ahead and click on that option to begin grouping your tabs together. After clicking this, a small pop-up will appear where you can input a name for your new tab group. Type in whatever name makes sense for you, whether that's work, research, or any other category. Right next to the name field, you'll also see a color selector with various color options. Choose your preferred color from this palette. It's important to note that this method will only add an outline color to your tab, creating a subtle colored border around it rather than filling the entire tab with color. Now, if you want to change the color of the entire tab background instead of just an outline, you'll need to access Chrome's theme settings. To do this, look at the upper right corner of your Chrome window and click on the three dots icon, which is your main Chrome menu. This will open a drop-down menu with various options and settings you can explore. From this menu, click on Settings to access Chrome's full configuration panel. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your browser's appearance and functionality. Once you're in the settings page, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see several menu options. Look for and click on Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks, including colors, themes, and overall visual styling. Within the Appearance section, you'll see an option labeled Theme. Click on it to open Chrome's theme customization options. This is where you can make more dramatic changes to your browser's color scheme. After clicking on Theme, you'll be presented with a selection of colors to choose from. Browse through the available color options and select the one that best suits your preferences. Once you select a color, Chrome will immediately apply it, changing the entire tab color and giving your browser a fresh new look that matches your style. And that's it! You've successfully customized your Chrome tab colors, making your browser both more functional and visually pleasing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.